Remote desk software has become one of those tools you don't realize you need until you actually use it. No matter if you're a remote worker, IT professional, or just someone who needs to grab a file from your computer while you're out, you have to know which tool is going to make your work easier. That's why we're going to talk about the 7 best remote desktop software options available today so you can find the best one for your needs. Taking our number 1 spot, Helpwire isn't just another remote support tool. It's the one that makes the most sense for anyone who values both capability and cost efficiency. Think about the reality of most free software. They limit your session length, lock away the useful features, and constantly push you to upgrade. That's fine if you just need it once, but if you're supporting clients or even helping friends and family regularly, it gets old fast. Helpwire breaks that cycle by giving you the full experience, completely free, for personal and business use. Sessions start with one secure link, so your client clicks and connects, no codes or passwords required. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, which makes it versatile enough for almost any scenario. The client portal keeps your work organized with contact management and private notes, while in-session features like drag-and-drop file transfer and real-time chat keep the workflow smooth. And for Windows, unattended access means you can work when it's convenient, not just when the client is online. In a market full of compromises, Helpwire feels like the one option that actually delivers everything you need without cutting corners. The second one in our list is Parsec. This tool is a high-performance remote desktop and game streaming platform designed to deliver smooth, low-latency connections. While it was originally created for gamers, it has grown into a flexible option for remote work, creative projects, and virtual desktop access. You just install Parsec on both your host and client devices, then stream content between them, whether you're at home or on the go. Its tech is optimized for fast data transfer, keeping even fast-paced games or heavy visual workloads running seamlessly over the internet. Getting started with Parsec is easy. Once you install the app, create an account, and configure your host computer, you can connect from any client device, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or another desktop, and enjoy a smooth, near-lag-free experience. This simplicity, combined with its forward-thinking approach to remote computing, has made Parsec a go-to choice for gamers and professionals. For many users, it feels like the start of a new era where location no longer limits performance or creativity. Next, we have AnyDesk, one of the most popular names in remote desktop software. Like others in this list, it lets you access and control computers from almost anywhere. It supports Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, which gives you flexibility to connect across devices. There's a built-in file manager for transferring files, though it doesn't support drag and drop, which would have been a nice addition. Managing connections is easy with the address book feature, so you won't waste time searching for devices. If you're collaborating with a team or providing tech support, features like text chat, a virtual whiteboard, and the ability to invite others into a session come in handy. It's excellent for personal use or occasional remote access, but larger businesses might find it a bit limited compared to tools like TeamViewer. Still, it's simple to set up, pricing is fair, and the free version offers solid value for casual users. Zoho Assist is Zoho's entry into the remote desktop space, and it's a cloud-based solution built for both IT support and remote system access. Whether you need real-time troubleshooting or unattended access, it's designed to cover both scenarios. The security of Zoho Assist is front and center, so it's safe to use even for sensitive tasks. Some standout features include remote printing. It actually allows you to print from a remote machine to your local printer. Advanced capabilities are available in higher-tier plans, and there's a generous free trial so you can test it first. Zoho Assist also offers flexible pricing with monthly and annual plans. Plus, the platform keeps improving with better mobile file transfers and deeper Slack integration. And if you already use Zoho CRM, the quick integration is a big plus. Dameware Remote Software is a good choice for anyone who needs fast, reliable access to remote computers. Using it feels almost like sitting right in front of the device. Strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and multi-level permissions keep your data and systems secure. If you use multiple monitors, Dameware makes it easy to switch between them, though some users have reported occasional instability with this feature. You can capture screenshots, record sessions, and store them in the cloud for later. Built-in chat and video calling help IT admins troubleshoot without using a separate communication tool, and all chats are automatically logged. For IT teams managing multiple devices, custom alerts are a lifesaver. You can track issues like memory spikes and generate detailed reports. Plus, you can even wake up a remote computer that's asleep or powered off, as long as it's on the same network, making remote management much easier. So let's say you're away from your desk and suddenly need a file, a program restart, or to help a coworker with a problem. RemotePC lets you do all of that from virtually any device: Windows, Mac, Linux, or even a phone or tablet. The setup process is quick, and once you're connected, it feels like you're right at your desk. You can transfer files, use voice or video chat, reboot systems remotely, and annotate the screen to explain things better. Security is built in, so your sessions stay private. Businesses will especially benefit from the Help Desk feature for supporting teams. And if something goes wrong, you can reach support 24/7 via chat, email, or extended hours phone support. RemotePC strikes a balance between power and simplicity, and with a free trial available, you can see if it's the right fit before committing. Finally, we have GoToMyPC, a trusted name that's been in the remote desktop game for over 20 years. It's designed with non-technical users in mind, and that's why it offers an easy setup and straightforward connection process. One of its most useful features is file transfer, which lets you move files back and forth between devices. It supports multi-monitor setups, so you can work just as you would at your desk. Like most remote software, performance can dip if your internet connection is slow. But if issues come up, GoToMyPC includes real-time diagnostics to pinpoint what's wrong. You can check connection quality and system performance right from the dashboard. Other useful features include remote printing and the option to give someone temporary access to your computer, perfect for quick collaboration or support. So far, these are the best remote desktop software you can use this year. Which one are you going to use? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.